In today's video, we'll explore an exciting business idea that has the potential to earn you $100 a day. We'll look into this entrepreneurial journey and uncover a range of techniques that are often only accessible through paid courses. By the end of this video, you'll gain valuable insights on converting website visitors into loyal customers and leveraging the power of AI to optimize your business operations while keeping costs low. Be sure to stick around until the end as we reveal the key strategies behind achieving extraordinary results. Have you ever considered starting an online agency that specializes in personalized welcome book designs for Airbnb hosts? If you've ever used Airbnb yourself, you're probably familiar with the concept of a welcome book or guest book, which provides essential information to guests during their stay. This idea presents a lucrative opportunity to offer services for designing or revamping these welcome books. However, a solid business idea requires thorough market validation to ensure its potential for success. To validate the idea, it's crucial to conduct market research and identify demand. One effective approach is to explore the Facebook ads library, where you can assess if there are any ads running for similar products or services. Active ads that have been running for several days indicate that there is a market and potential sales being generated. Analyzing the competition is a vital step in identifying gaps in the market and finding your distinctive edge. In this case, most competitors offer editable templates, expecting customers to handle the editing themselves. However, not everyone has the time or expertise to undertake such tasks. This observation presents an innovative solution, offering a comprehensive done-for-you welcome book design service. By introducing this service, customers only need to complete a simple questionnaire, leaving the entire creation process in the hands of a dedicated team. This approach not only justifies higher pricing, but also exudes professionalism and establishes a unique selling proposition that sets your business apart. Now, let's talk about the role AI can play in accelerating your business growth. By leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT, you can streamline and automate various aspects of your operations. For instance, ChatGPT can assist in generating the structure and outline of the welcome book content, saving you significant time that would otherwise be spent on extensive research. Once you have the content foundation, designing the book template becomes a breeze using user-friendly design tools like Canva. Incorporate colors, graphics, and personalized touches to enhance the visual appeal. While ChatGPT contributes to about 80% of the work, adding a personal touch ensures a final design that truly stands out and resonates with your clients. To collect essential information from clients, you can create a tailored questionnaire using ChatGPT. The AI-powered chatbot generates comprehensive questions based on the different sections of the welcome book, simplifying the process for your clients. Transferring these questions to a user-friendly platform like Google Forms allows clients to easily provide the necessary details. You can intelligently divide the questionnaire into sections to ensure a smooth and efficient completion process. Once a client completes the purchase, they are seamlessly redirected to the questionnaire and the completed form is delivered via email. This streamlined workflow ensures a swift and effective gathering of client information for customizing the welcome book template. Now that you have your well-crafted sales page generated with the assistance of ChatGPT, it's time to drive traffic to your website and convert visitors into paying customers. Leveraging Facebook ads can be a highly effective method to attract potential clients. Through careful targeting, you can narrow down your audience based on specific criteria, such as Airbnb hosts or individuals interested in interior design. Crafting compelling ad copy that highlights the benefits of your done-for-you service and incorporating engaging visuals can significantly increase click-through rates. Remember to create a landing page that seamlessly guides visitors toward the call to action, encouraging them to make a purchase. Once visitors land on your website, it's essential to create a user-friendly experience that entices them to take action. Incorporating AI-powered live chat support like ChatGPT can provide real-time assistance to potential customers. This helps address any queries or concerns, increasing trust and reducing barriers to conversion. Additionally, integrating social proof elements such as testimonials and reviews can further establish credibility and reinforce the quality of your services. These trust-building measures go a long way in converting visitors into loyal customers. It's important to note that while AI can provide valuable insights and assistance, financial decisions should still be made based on careful consideration and consultation with qualified professionals. With the right mindset, persistence, and a little help from AI, you can turn your business idea into a thriving online enterprise. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, hit that subscribe button to see more insightful content like this. Thank you for watching.